Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong and Threads DMs. So that's actually a problem that appears to you when you want to go through the DMs or your DMs and suddenly a message appears to you. It says something went wrong. So to solve that problem, I want you to go first into your settings right here, tap on it, and after that I want to scroll down until you can see the apps option right here, tap on it. Alright, so right here I want you to go into the second option, manage apps, tap on it. Alright, so on the search apps I want you to look for Threads. Alright, so here we are, tap on Threads, and after that I want you to go into the clear data right here. It depends on which phone you have. So if you have the same phone as me, you will find it right here. If you are not, you will find it just between the settings or in the other corner. So go into clear data, and right here I just want you to tap on the second option, clear cache. So after that what I want to do is to go into the data usage right here, the second option, tap on it, and make sure that these options on manage network connection is all setting on. After that I want you to go back to your phone homepage and to go on your or to your Play Store or App Store. Alright, so right here I want you just to go and look for Threads. Okay, Threads Instagram, and I want to tap on the app to make sure that you have the last version. So for me, I need to update my Threads to not face any problem in the future, so I will do that after. Alright, and the last thing that I want to do is to make sure that the problem is not on your internet. So after all these steps, what I want you to do right now is to restart your device, and I want to go back to your app again, and you will find out that the problem has disappeared. Anyways guys, this is the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.